Hello, I'm Danny Massey, Superintendent of Schools of Brazosport ISD. On January 14, 2019, the Brazosport ISD Board of Trustees unanimously approved moving forward with a $267 million school bond election to address capital needs related to new construction, safety and security, additional career and technical education programs, early childhood programming, technology, and renovations to address maintenance and operations throughout the district. This bond will impact all facilities, along with transportation needs within the district. Due to significant investments from Freeport LNG, the Dow Chemical Company, ME Global, and other local industries, we are able to accomplish the proposed $267 million bond with no tax rate increase. Planning for the 2019 bond began in the fall of 2018 with the formation of a long-range facilities planning bond advisory committee. This committee was made up of 36 community members, business partners, parents, teachers, students, and administrators who participated in 6 meetings and a facilities tour to see firsthand the needs of the district. In addition to reviewing facility assessment data, this committee reviewed historical growth and student enrollment projections, economic indicators, career and technical education programming opportunities, early childhood growth plans, along with cost estimates and financial analysis. The proposed bond includes a replacement of the 49-year-old Brazosport main campus. The replacement campus will include state-of-the-art classrooms and labs, a new auditorium, fine arts areas, new multi-sport athletic facility, and new and expanded career and technical education facilities and programs. The bond will also include a replacement of Stephen F. Austin Elementary School in Jones Creek, which was built in 1952 and houses pre-kindergarten through 6th grade. Also included in the bond will be replacement facilities for our maintenance and operations, child nutrition, and transportation facilities, which is much needed. A portion of Ney Elementary School will join all of our other elementary schools in providing a full-day pre-kindergarten program for many of our families who do not currently qualify for these services. This will allow us to offer full-day, free, and tuition-based pre-kindergarten in all of our elementary schools. It will also provide us the opportunity to offer our BISD staff a lower cost, full-day pre-kindergarten. We know the challenge of childcare in the area. We believe there will be a big demand for this service, and it will be a great benefit for our BISD employees. Both Brazosport and Brazosport High Schools will receive new and expanded career and technical education programs and facilities. We are in a unique area where there is great opportunity for our students to earn industry certifications and enter high-wage, high-demand jobs that will impact our local economy. There are many opportunities for members of our Brazosport ISD community to learn more about the bond program. District administrators are available to answer questions and share additional details about proposed bond projects. You can call 979-730-7000 or go to the Just Ask feature on the district website. To schedule an informative presentation for your community organization or civic club, please call 979-730-7000. The election will be held Saturday, May 4th, 2019, with early voting beginning April 22nd through the 30th. You can find a list of early voting locations and times by visiting the Brazosport ISD website. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.